Today, I'll show you how to buy TikTok coins with PayPal. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you are signed into the TikTok account where you want the coins to be added. TikTok coins are used to send gifts to creators during live streams and in supported TikTok features. In most cases, coins must be purchased through TikTok's official recharge system, not from random third-party sellers. Now tap Profile at the bottom right corner, then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Look for Balance. Tap Balance, then choose Get Coins, Recharge, or Add Coins, depending on what appears in your app. Now choose the coin package you want to buy. TikTok will show different coin amounts with their prices. Select the package that matches your budget. Next, TikTok will show the available payment methods. If PayPal is supported in your region and device, you may see PayPal as a payment option. Choose PayPal. TikTok may redirect you to a PayPal login page. Sign in to your PayPal account. Review the payment amount carefully. Then approve the payment through PayPal. After the payment is complete, TikTok should add the coins to your account balance. Go back to balance and check if the coins were added. If PayPal does not appear as a payment option, it may not be available for TikTok coin purchases in your country, device, or account. In that case, you can use another official payment method shown by TikTok, such as a debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or carrier billing if available. TikTok Shop supports PayPal in some regions, but TikTok Shop payment options are not always the same as TikTok coin recharge options. So always check the payment methods shown on the actual coin checkout screen. If you want to buy coins outside the app, use only official TikTok recharge pages or trusted partners. Avoid websites or people promising free or discounted TikTok coins because many of these offers are scams. Never share your TikTok password, PayPal password, OTP, verification code, or card details with anyone. So, to keep it simple, open TikTok, go to Settings and Privacy, tap Balance, choose Recharge, select your coin package, choose PayPal if it appears, approve the payment, and check your coin balance. And that's how you buy TikTok coins with PayPal. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.